Good morning. Welcome to our Saturday morning guided meditation here at Unity on the Bay. My name is Angela. I'm going to be the facilitator of this morning's guided meditation. And the title is Immersed in Love. In this meditation, you're going to have the opportunity to feel what it's like being immersed in the presence of love within you. And also to be able to get in touch with the feeling of perceiving the presence of God in your life by reminding you of a time in which you had a miracle happen and how at awe and aligned you felt with the presence of God within you. It is by bringing those events to remembrance, getting in touch with the vibration and the feeling of being at awe with the workings of God in your life, that you are able to bring it about to your experience again and again. So let us begin. I invite you to close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in. Hold it and breathe out. Letting go of any thoughts about the future and the past. Allowing your attention to be focused on the movement of the breath in and out of the lungs. Allow the awareness of the breath to anchor you in this present moment. Bring your awareness to your physical body. If you notice any tension, just relax. Letting go of all tension. Keeping your mind here and now. So I invite you to envision that you are in this beautiful place in nature, walking, looking at the presence of life and beauty everywhere. The sound of the birds, the sounds of the water. I invite you to envision where you are. This beautiful, peaceful sanctuary within you, close to nature. And as you continue to anchor your awareness here and now in the presence of this beautiful nature, I invite you to recall a time in your life in which you felt the presence of God. Perhaps through a miracle that you experienced. Something that gave you the feeling that God was present and that you were in the right path. Just recall it. Pay attention to the vibration of feeling this connection and witnessing this miracle right before your eyes. Whereas before you were experiencing difficulties and all of a sudden a miracle took place and harmony was reestablished in your life. invite you to get in touch with how are you feeling. Allow that feeling of connection, of awe, of appreciation towards the divine to take place here and now. Just allow it. That's how you invite it back in. Recalling the time you were touched by it and the appreciation and the awe that you had in your heart. Allow this loving presence within you to reveal itself to you once again, here and now, as you open up your heart to be spiritually touched by this divine energy, the source of wisdom, of love, of peace, of power. Open up your heart and let it touch your hearts with the promise of more miracles on its way. It is its will that you yourself become the miracle maker, the dreamer of your dreams, with power to create your own reality, having the ability to anchor heaven on earth within yourself. Begin to feel the support of this loving presence once again, right where you are, supporting you, loving you, rejoicing in you. You are its beloved. Allow yourself to receive the love that is available for you. A love that brings about wisdom, protection, security, ideas, enthusiasm into your life. Allow yourself to breathe into it, breathe into this love, this peace, this joy. And begin to envision this field of light surrounding you, like this bubble of protection from the conditions of this world. You are experiencing within you the center of refuge and strength right in your heart as you feel protected by this field of light surrounding you here and now. You are releasing concern and placing your trust completely into this field of light, of wisdom, of power. You are allowing its love to fully support you, to protect you, to care for you. You are surrendering control of your life to something greater than you. And setting yourself free once and for all from the fear of the conditions of this world. You are realizing that you are above the conditions. You're greater than the conditions. And there is this indwelling power, this indwelling love that will lead the way. Therefore, fear not. You're safe. Be at peace and let love lead the way. And so it is. And very gently begin to bring once again your awareness back to your physical body. Preparing yourself to awaken from this wonderful experience of the presence of love right where you are. Become once again aware of your physical body, the room that you are, and very gently, whenever you're ready, you may open up your eyes. And welcome back. I hope you had enjoyed this guided meditation. Feel free to share it with your friends, and you can use this meditation as a practice to once again getting in touch with what it's like to feel immersed, surrounded, and protected by the presence of love within you. Have a wonderful weekend. Namaste.